Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Moulinex Blendforce 2LM42Q110, a countertop blender designed to make everyday food preparation faster and easier. Right out of the box, the blender presents a clean and modern appearance that fits comfortably into most kitchen spaces. Its compact design makes it suitable for small kitchens while still offering enough capacity for family use. One of the standout features of the Blendforce 2 is its focus on simplicity. The controls are intuitive, allowing users to quickly select the desired blending speed and start preparing their favorite recipes without a complicated setup process. Whether you're making fruit smoothies, protein shakes, milk-based drinks, soups, sauces, or even preparing ingredients for cooking, this blender is designed to handle a wide variety of tasks. The specially designed blades help create smoother textures and more consistent blending results. Another advantage is convenience. The large blending jar provides enough space for multiple servings, making it a practical choice for families or anyone who enjoys meal preparation. Cleaning is also straightforward, which is always an important factor for daily kitchen appliances. During operation, the Blendforce 2 delivers reliable performance for everyday blending needs. It offers a good balance between power, usability, and value, making it an attractive option for users who want dependable results without spending a premium price. Overall, the Moulinex Blendforce 2LM42Q110 is a practical and user-friendly blender that combines functionality, convenience, and modern design. It's a great option for preparing smoothies, shakes, sauces, and many other recipes at home. Thank you for watching this review. If you found it helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.